Everybody, welcome back to the Roaming Fiddlers YouTube channel. Firstly, apologising for not being in my bikini and doing exercises on the yoga mat in my thong. So I apologise for that. You'll have to just put up with me the way I am. I don't need reviews and subscribers that badly. So I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. However, if you are new to my channel, and you like what you're seeing, you like my reviews on various bits and pieces, then please like and subscribe. So that's the YouTube stuff out of the way. Okay, so we're in St Neots, East Anglia, Caravan and Camping Club site, right next to the Great River Ouse. So it's a beautiful location. Fortunately, we managed to get a riverside pitch, not always guaranteed. I think the fact that we're on a grass pitch and no electric, and relying on our own leisure batteries, solar and LPG for the fridge, etc. So I think that helped our cause. However, there are lots of pitches. It's 180 pitches in total, various, covering all bases, hard standing, with, without electric, grass, with, without electric. So you can take your choice, but it's a lovely site. Say right by the river here, then it's great for fishing. If you're into fishing, you can literally walk from your motorhome straight out and cast your rod, so to speak. So yeah, lots of kids been fishing, and it's a lovely spot for walking, cycling. If you're in road cycling, we enjoy our road cycling. And we cycled out to the American Cemetery yesterday, just outside of Cambridge. So that's worth a visit. Very sobering place, obviously, but definitely worth a visit. But from here, you can walk literally through the trees there. You can walk, and you're 10 minutes into St Neots, which has got all the usual local commerce stuff. And you can catch a bus from the marketplace to Cambridge. I think they're every 30, 45 minutes, something like that. So yeah, it's a lovely little town. Got everything you need. As far as the site goes, yeah, I can't really knock it really. It's got everything we need. We were intended staying 3 or 4 days, and we've been here 7 now because we've got a lovely pitch right by the river. And what's the point in packing everything up and moving on for a few days? So here we are. Cost wise, we're paying roughly about £33 a night, just the two of us. So here we are. Yeah, perfect. It's a very nice site. As I say, 180 pitches, which is quite big, but it's certainly not that busy. I think probably the weather has put a lot of people off, but certainly today you can't complain. It's beautiful sunshine, beautiful blue sky, and about 22 degrees. I'm not going to wander around a shower block because that's not really, just in case for obvious reasons, but it's a nice shower block over there. Ladies and gents shower block, separate shower blocks obviously. Plenty of hot water, push button facilities as far as the shower goes, but yeah, that is fine. The water's hot and it's cleaned regularly, and they're modern facilities as well. They're not out of date or anything. So yeah, usual motorhome stuff, waste points, water, and everything else. So there you are. So check it out if you're in this area. It's highly recommended. Full disclosure, I'm not sponsored by Caravan and Camping Club or GoPro or Chasson Motorhomes or anything. This is just me and my own personal opinions. So yeah, look forward to seeing you in the next video.